नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself Dr. Ajay Jatolia, Assistant Professor, Department of Community Medicine, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we will discuss about typhoid fever. Causative factors: Salmonella typhi disease occurs sporadically, epidemically, or endemically. The disease clinically characterized by continuous fever for 3 to 4 weeks. Enteric fever occurs in all parts of the world where water supplies and sanitation are substandard. It is readily killed by drying, pasteurization, and common disinfectants. Reservoir of infection: man is the only known reservoir. Carriers acute excrete the bacilli for 6 to 8 weeks. Chronic excrete the bacilli for more than 1 year. Famous case of typhoid Mary, who gave rise to more than 1300 cases. Sources of infection: primary sources of infection are feces and urine. Secondary sources: contaminated water, food, fingers, and flies. Fourth factors: age. Typhoid fever may occur at any age, mostly in 5 to 19 years of age. Sex: more among males than females. Immunity: all ages are susceptible to infection. Environmental and social factors observed all through the year. The peak incidences reported during July-September, the rainy season, and an increase in fly population. Incubation period usually 10 to 14 days. Mode of transmission: typhoid fever is transmitted via the fecal oral route or urine oral routes. Food, flies, finger, soil, water. Clinical features: usually insidious but in children may with chill and high fever. Prodromal stage: malaise, headache, cough, and sore throat, often with abdominal pain and constipation. The fever ascends, and after about 7 to 10 days, the fever reaches and the patient looks toxic appearing, exhausted, and often prostrated. Constipation, especially in early stage. Tissue diarrhea, marked abdominal distension, leukopenia, blood, urine, and stool culture is positive for salmonella. In later stages, splenomegaly, abdominal distension and tenderness, relative bradycardia, ectoric pulse, and meningitis appearance. Rhesus rose spot commonly appears during the second week of disease, found principally on the trunk. Pink papule, pink papule 2 to 3 mm in diameter, disappear in 3 to 4 days. Serious complications: ill longer than 2 weeks, intestinal hemorrhage, sudden drop in temperature, dark or fresh blood in the stool, intestinal perforation, less frequent complications, urine retention, pneumonia, myocarditis, psychosis, polycystitis, nephritis, and osteomyelitis. Laboratory diagnosis, microbiological isolation of Salmonella typhi from blood, bone marrow, and stool. Blood culture, serological में Vidal test measures antibody. It can be negative in up to 30% of culture. Control of typhoid. Three lines of defense against typhoid fever: control of reservoir, control of sanitation, immunization. Control of reservoir, identification, isolation, treatment, disinfection. Cases: early diagnosis by blood and stool culture, notification mandatory, mandatory, mandatory. Isolation till 3 bacteriologically negative stools and urine reported are obtained on 3 separate days. Treatment: fluoroquinolones, first line drugs, viz. chloramphenicol, ampicillin, amoxicillin, and trimethoprim, sulfamethoxazole. Cases: disinfection, stool and urine to be disinfected, hands to be washed after defecation and before eating. Follow-up after 3 to 4 months and at 12 months after discharge. Carriers: identification by culture and serological examination. Treatment: intensive course of ampicillin or amoxicillin. Surveillance: prevented from handling food, milk or water for others. Health education: washing hands after stool and before meal. Control of sanitation: purified drinking water supply, improvement of basic sanitation and hand hygiene, promotion of food, health education. Immunization. Immunization does not give 100% protection, but it definitely lower both the incidence and seriousness of the infection. It is recommended to those living in endemic areas, household contacts, group at risk of infections such as school children and hospital staff, travelers proceeding to endemic areas, those attending melas and yatras. Anti-typhoid vaccines: the VI polysaccharide vaccine, the TY2LA vaccine. Homeopathic management में Baptisia tinctoria is the very good medicine in all stage of typhoid. It produces antibody against typhoid fever, Salmonella typhoid. And second medicine, Arnica montana, acid force, rustoxicodendron, and various medicines can give accordingly to symptomatology. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If any query, mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.